I and Strata are ecstatic to be able to launch a new product called Real-Time Workforce Management, which is primarily focused on inpatient nursing units and driving equitable and safe patient staffing ratios, but also are going to drive efficient cost-cutting measures and being able to ultimately drive accountability and operational improvements. The opportunities are endless in this space. I lead a labor advisory panel with about 25 clients from across the country that are all Strata clients, where we're coming in sharing some challenges, some insights, some ways that we've reacted. And what we're hearing time and time again is that these rising wage rates are going to continue to be a problem. So the way that we can really make sure we keep our staff is by improving their experience. And so that really is going to mean being able to have equitable assignments, having them work at the top of their license, bringing in the appropriate support staff to help them really do those certified activities that nurses come to work for. So lots and lots of opportunity for improvement.